So what's up you all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Mr. Gokus. In today's video I'm going to be taking you guys through a day in the life of a broke Nigerian YouTuber. The title sounds crazy, right? That's it. It's going to be very short, simple and entertaining, and I promise that I'm going to enjoy every bit of it. So in this video it's going to be ranging from eating, washing, playing, exercising and doing some other crazy stuff that you're gonna love and gonna enjoy it. So let's get straight to the video. Grab a popcorn and watch a day in the life of a broke Nigerian YouTuber. Bye bye. So what's up you all? Right now I'm washing, so check it out. So what's up guys, it's exercise time and I will do like 10 push-ups and sorry guys, the exercise session was too short because I'm not in the gym and I haven't eaten anything yet this morning, so you guys should bear with me. I just did 3 push-ups and it was mighty, I swear. So what's up guys, still in the day of a Nigerian broke YouTuber. So now I want to go and wash my clothes. Like I said earlier in the video that I'm going to wash my clothes. So I bought Viva Clean. Look at Viva Clean. Viva Clean is a very good detergent used for washing clothes. So if you're in Nigeria, Viva Clean is a shop plug for you. And I also got Mama Joy. Mama Joy have been a very good soap. I just bought it for 500 naira and this one for 300. That's 800 naira. Sorry guys, I won't be recording where I'll be washing my clothes because my phone storage is too low. It can't carry the video. So I'll be updating you guys in this one. So guys, I've literally done everything I said earlier that I'm going to be doing in the video except eating. I promise you guys to show you guys where I'll be eating, but now the question is, where is the food? No money to buy the food. Like I said from the title, a day in the life of a broke Nigerian YouTuber, and I don't even know that the brokenness will get to this level that I will not even eat in the video. And I thought that I'm going to be eating in this video so it will be more entertaining to you guys. Guys, please, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I promise that next time I will try to save much money so I can buy food and eat in the video so you guys will see how I eat. But anyway, it's part of the journey. I'm broke now doesn't mean that I'm going to be broke forever. Don't worry, I'm going to become a millionaire in dollar. Thank you for watching the video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye bye.